Always work at your own pace. We're going to be doing 3 knees and a jack. And then we'll switch sides. Here we go. 3 knees. Jack. Now knee, kick, knee. Kick, knee. Good. Again. Three kicks. Again. One more. Good. March it out. Feel free to go to the floor for push-ups or follow me here. Squatting low. Rest in your push-up. Prepare. Up, rest. Prepare. Almost there. One to go. If you're on the floor, come on up. Join me. Squat low. Twist it out. Travel punch. Keep those hips forward. One more. Good. One squat. Knee in a strike. Feel free to add a jump. Do not lock your elbows. Squat. Good. Knee strike. Pulse it. And curtsy. Very nice. Keep going. It's up to you. Now the other side. Good. You can add jumps. One more. March. Back to 3 knees and a jack. Here we go. 4 kicks. Keep going. You got this. Good. Twist. Travel. tight. Keep those hips forward. Use your core. Last one. Squat down. Knee up, strike. Squat down. Knee strike. Here we go. Nice job. All right. I'll see you in the next video.